Next is a lecture given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded in May of 1970 in Los Angeles.
Govindamadi Purusam Tamahang Bhaja. Govindam, Lord Krishna, Adi Purusam, the original person. In the Vedanta Sutra, it is said that Brahma, Athat Brahma Jigyasa, what is Brahma? In this human form of life, this is the business, to understand what is Brahma. Therefore, Parikshit Maharaj said that Apasattam Atmatattam Grihishu Grihamedina Sutubhyani Rajendra Ninang Shanti Sahasrasa Apasattam Atmatattam Grihishu Grihamedina. Question and answer. Everywhere, light means questions and answers. So, those who are not interested or do not know what is the aim of life, they have got questions and answers only for sense gratification. That's all. They have no more any question or answer. Whole field of questioning and answering is sense gratification. That's all. But the human life is not meant for that purpose. The animals, they are morning, just like birds, just early in the morning, they begin to chirp. Where is food? Where we have to go? Where we have to find out some food? That is their business. The animals also. But human form of life, does it mean it is meant like that they should be simply involved in questions and answers for sense gratification? No. Therefore Vedanta Sutra says, Brahma Jigyasa. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. Ataha, after this, after the evolutionary process of lower than human being, when we have come, we have got this body, human form of body, the business is Brahma Jigyasa. Jivasya Tattva Jigyasa, that is Bhagavad. But there is no education. There are so many universities, they are going on simply how to advance the method of sense gratification. That's all. There is no education. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. The human form of life should be especially engaged for understanding what is Brahma. Otherwise it is simply spoiled. Shankaracharya says, he was a sannyasi. Sannyasi's business is to travel all over the world, all as far as he can, and enlighten people about Brahma. That is sannyasi. So, Shankaracharya is lamenting. Balastavat kriyasakta. Oh, what I see? I see the boys are engaged in playing. Balastavat kriyasakta. Tarunastavat taruni rakta. Young boys, they are after young girls. That is their business. Boys are playing. Young boys are after young girls. Vriddhastavat chintavagna. And those who are old, they are absorbed in thought. Oh, what I have done. I could not do this. Vriddhastavat chintavagna. Taruni, Parame Brahmani kopi na lagna. Nobody is interested with the Param Brahma. Oh, what nonsense society this is. He analyzed the whole population, boys, youths, old men, and he saw nobody, no rascal is interested with Brahma. So that is the position. But it is meant for Brahma Jignasa. This is the defect of material civilization. The human form of life is being spoiled, simply spoiled. And their Maya is dictating, oh, you are making so much advancement, thank you. What advancement you have made, sir? Bhagavad Gita says, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Dushana Darsana. Your problem is birth, death, old age and disease. What you have made for these four problems? What solution you have got? Your scientific advancement? Is there any solution of controlling birth? They have invented so many contraceptive methods. Still, in every minute, there are 3 men increasing. Where is your birth control? You cannot control. So birth, similarly death. So many medicines, so many scientific research, these things, that thing they have invented. And what you have done? You have stopped death? No, sir. Then birth, death, old age,